And action. What's good, y'all? It's Bree
And Taishalle.
Zay.
and today we're gonna be trying the mberry. It came in a little plastic thing envelope. It's like yellow, and then it came in this. And just peel that open, and this is what it looks like. This was like $16.
Man, these bottles you can't hold two at a time.
Not sponsored. Sponsor us. Okay, so we have y'all can't see, we have a table full of stuff right here to try when we're flavor tripping. So open it up. This is what they look like. What's a few things y'all know about mberries? It's an actual fruit.
It's made from the
I'm gonna take mine
berries.
first.
And
Do you swallow it or
you let it melt?
No,
you let it melt?
Sit on
Oh,
your
because you
tongue.
gotta cover your tongue.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
They say it takes a while for it to dissolve though.
It's nasty.
It's like candy.
It's like cranberry.
Mm-hmm.
This is our plate. It says to try pineapple, chili pepper, a martini. We cannot do. Strawberry, cheese. Oh, we don't have cheese. Grape. We ain't get no grapes. Oh, it's a list.
It's so nasty.
It's
I like
cranberry. It's like
I like it.
it really tastes like cranberry. Okay, mberry.
An Arizona-based company offers a revolutionary new taste sensation through a line of all-natural miracle berry products. Mberry contains no sugars or additives, and through a 100% naturally occurring phenomenon.
Turns sour, acidic, and bitter flavor sweet. Lemon becomes sweet lemonade. Apple cider vinegar. I didn't get none of that, but I was supposed to.
Isn't that it?
That's regular vinegar.
You chew it up and
It has to coat your tongue. Assumes the flavor of apple juice. Strawberries transform into powdered sugar. Made from the finest selection of miracle berries, mberry elevates your taste experience to a level of unparalleled sweetness. Is this sweet to y'all? Cause it's sweet.
It's sweet. Yeah, it's. I don't know.
mine.
You don't like it?
I don't know.
It's like a vitamin kind of.
It really is. It gives me vitamin vibes.
We got a dissolver?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
Very slow.
it takes a long time to dissolve.
It does. For my phone.
They probably did.
Why would you do this again?
So we can be flavor tripping.
Real YouTubers.
Healthy inside, healthy outside.
How? That's what they do?
That what it say.
You can't even chew it.
Huh?
I tried.
What it tastes like?
It don't taste like nothing.
And it
Don't
don't break
you
me
can't chew
back.
it, you have to suck it.
Mm-hmm.
It's got to get on your taste
Well, you ain't have
buds.
to
So it's burning your taste buds. How long it last?
It's supposed to last. Some people it's 30 minutes. It could be like up to an hour.
I ain't gonna be able to eat for an hour.
You can eat it. Just gonna be sweet.
I don't want no sweet sauce.
I hope not. I want to taste something.
Get a strawberry.
Hold. I should probably let it.
That's a.
You got to wait till you finish.
Yeah. I wonder if it make water sweet. Water would probably like get rid of it.
Yeah.
Okay. We have our fruit tray.
Fruit mukbang.
Why she says it like people?
Pickles. Vinegar. Greek yogurt.
Chobani.
Yeah, we know you
What
like
kind of chobani it is?
Greek yogurt.
Plain.
Plain.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nasty in real life, but anyway.
Let me answer this.
Salt
on
and
the
vinegar
back.
chip.
What are you saying?
Let me answer this. I'll be back.
Lemon heads.
Mine's gone.
I wanted more heads, but I couldn't find. Alright, which one try first?
Strawberry.
Strawberries. Grab one.
Oh yeah, I'm so scared.
Oh, you just went for it. Don't wait for us. What's this like? Strawberries transform into powdered sugar. It is super sweet.
Yeah, sir. It tastes like candy.
Oh, you for real?
Flavor tripping. Hold on, I'm coming, y'all. I'm still in the final stages of dissolution.
It still hit you right here though.
That's sweet.
All right.
Yeah, it do.
Strawberries transform into powdered sugar.
Whoa! Wait, I wasn't ready for this. This is the best strawberry
It's
I've
like somebody
had.
dumped some sugar on there.
Mm-hmm.
You put some sugar on my strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to do the tomato next.
Mm.
Everybody grab a tomato.
I don't even like tomatoes.
You still ain't finished your strawberry.
That mother good.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
I don't want to put that back on the plate.
Oh, hold up.
It's not sweet, but it's like
This sweet.
kind of sweet.
It still tastes like a tomato.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like a tomato, but I don't think it got enough sour juice in a tomato to make it sweet.
Okay.
Pineapple. Ready?
Mhm.
Oh my god!
This is so good.
I need more. I want to.
That sourness sort of still up.
I need another one of these things. That's what I was trying to say at first, but it didn't come out.
That's so good, y'all. So good.
Bro,
Wait.
I had to grab me another one.
That was
Alright, orange
good.
next.
We doing orange?
Mm-hmm.
I'm only doing 2 slices.
Everything else I did 3. You can take that one. Me and the egg gonna split this one.
Okay. Y'all ready?
Mm-hmm. It's not super sweet.
Mm-mm. That's a regular orange to me.
Nah, it's still sweeter than the orange.
It's giving me plain vibes.
I should have broke
Because
mine.
the orange naturally is sweet, so.
Grapefruit. Everybody gets a.
Oh yeah, this is my favorite fruit, so.
You actually like that?
Yeah.
Oh, you weird. Grapefruits are disgusting.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Grapefruits are what?
Oh,
Grapefruits
yeah.
are who now?
It's still
Wait.
bitter.
Mm-hmm.
But
Oh yeah.
soon as I break this, y'all. Oh my god.
Man, I ain't even had to put no sugar on this thing, man.
Mm-mm. This, so far, what's your favorite one? That strawberry
Pineapple.
was good. That pineapple was delicious, but it's squirting juice on me, bro. It's half gone.
Mm.
Man,
This is good.
this is so good.
Mm. You get grapefruit everywhere.
Right?
Oh god.
Can you pass me a napkin?
Mberry mukbang.
Boy. This grape, look to show grapefruit.
Leave my grapefruit alone.
I thought you ain't like grapefruit.
Right? And she killing it. Bro.
Mm.
That is so good.
It is.
Alright. I'm trying to get to this lime.
Right.
Same.
Hashtag flavor tripping. Okay, let me first a lime first.
Lime.
Lemon.
Now you gotta decide to even it out.
Lime.
Okay.
It's only one. So
You can
Just
split that
squeeze
one
this.
with me. We
Well,
don't,
you-
I can split that one.
okay, you take that one since you wanted to do it so bad, and then
You just went straight into it.
I hope it tastes like limeade. It's good. No good.
Is your
How you
thing still
saying?
working?
You know how it's sweet, but it's got
You got that
aspects of being
sizzle.
acidic.
I mean, you got them sizzles. That sizzles.
It's still like, you know, when you put lime in your mouth, like it's dry, like it's like a
My
dry.
bad.
It's okay.
I don't know how to explain it. It still got a
Okay, it's sweet.
tartness.
It's good. I like limes now. Mm. Mm-hmm.
It's still not like juice though.
Mm.
Definitely sweet.
The after kick is a little Tangy.
Mm-hmm. It's good. Pleasant experience. Okay, everybody gets a lemon. I cut these right.
I don't really like that one.
Pretty.
Oh, I like this. It tastes like lemonade. This tastes like lemonade.
It's still sour to me.
Yeah.
I know mine wore off.
Me either. But I'm tasting the sour now.
I'm trying to hit the strawberry again to make sure.
Hit the strawberry.
It's still working? Okay.
Sorry. Your lemon just strong.
The lemon was worse than the lime.
Was. Alright, apple. It's still working?
Yeah. It's not as strong though.
It's like an apple.
Mm-hmm. We tried everything. Alright, play. Very much empty.
That's the sweetest apple I ever had.
I feel like mine wore off or something.
Me
Soy
too.
sauce. This was his idea. Guess we're taking shots.
I guess so.
I
Who
guess.
started, Zay?
Your
You can
idea? Your first shot. It's just regular like soy sauce.
Oh, it's still something.
Oh, never
You
mind.
doing that one on your own, but
So
Okay.
saltiness don't work.
spoons. Spoon. Everyone eat it. Oh, I got like a lemon in my hair. We gonna take our spoonful at the same time. Well, mix it
Yeah,
up.
mix that up.
All right, get a spoon. Get a spoon. Oh, we got spoonfuls. He got spoon half.
Man, I don't really want Greek.
Ready?
No,
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, I still Greek yogurt.
I'm confused.
That's still Greek yogurt.
I don't not like it.
It started off sweet. And then it was Greek yogurt.
It's either wearing off or they lie.
I don't know. It's a no for me, dog. Pickle. Pickle.
Might have tried it too
Can you take 2 back to back?
Probably. I think people would do it.
It's sour.
much. It's not as strong though.
If not,
You don't take another one, no.
a pickle.
Try again.
It's mostly salty.
So maybe yeah, what it is.
I feel like
I'm gonna try this
we messing up
pineapple.
the mberry. We
Right.
doing the wrong stuff.
It's still good?
Try this one.
I didn't really like that one.
Ain't nothing else good left. I'm sorry.
You good?
All right.
Why does it taste like flowers?
I don't know.
That tastes like flowers to you?
It don't taste like an apple.
Go get the cream cheese. Let me hit. Get in there.
Alright, ready? You want to wait for him or you want to do it now?
Just leave him out. They start sour, don't they?
Usually.
Chew it.
You want to chew it?
Still have grapefruit in my hair.
All in your hair too.
It's still working, cause look, try lemon head. It's not sour at first.
At all. I chew mine.
No sour.
Yeah. That was good.
Okay. Oh, get y'all. All right, everybody just scoop.
Alright. If this don't taste like cheesecake, I'm gonna
It
be
better.
very, very disappointed. You're disappointed.
It just tastes like,
Cream cheese.
because it's not acidic. If you put some vinegar.
They lied.
They did.
This tastes like regular cream cheese.
It's a little sweeter than regular cream.
Ooh.
They're not,
Sweet
they're not
chips.
vinegary. Well, they are at the end, but It's sweet.
It's sweet.
It still got a little bit of vinegar. Yeah.
I taste
Maybe
the
it's because
vinegar.
I'm still eating on this.
I don't know.
But
I
I can eat this more than when I didn't have the mberry though.
This don't taste
I
as
didn't like
salty and vinegary as they would without it.
I say we go get some more of that grapefruit.
I got water.
It's vinegar. It's sweet.
It's sweet water.
It's sweet.
Stop playing.
This vinegar is sweet. I'm not lying.
Oh, you about to have me drinking a cup of vinegar
Same.
when I get home.
There's no way I just drank vinegar with no face.
It's
It's sweet. Was it sweet to you? No? It's
Those
not
are-
sweet?
No sir.
It's
Yo,
not as strong, but when
Yo.
it goes down your throat, you feel it.
this vinegar is sweet.
Let me hit that one more time. He's over there coughing.
It's sweet.
Got my throat hurting. Boy.
It tastes like sugar water.
No, it don't.
I'm not tripping. I mean, I'm flavor tripping, but
Bro, no.
yo, it
That's
was sweet.
vinegar.
It was sweet to me.
That's vinegar, nigga.
That's vinegar.
Okay, so everybody go to the kitchen and grab what your favorite thing was.
Okay, right now?
Okay. Grapefruit, apple, pineapple,
I like the pineapple
pineapple and strawberry.
and strawberry.
Strawberry, I was expecting it to be sweet.
Strawberry tastes
Strawberry was a good start. Like,
like if you dipped it in sugar. I'm glad we started with that one.
well, I hope y'all like watching us flavor trip. It was fun. Comment anything else you want us to try. I know there's a few things that we didn't try that are on the list of things to try. Comment your experience with mberry if you've ever tried it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Peace.